Back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm super excited because today's video is going to be something that's going to help you. We are doing a Christmas gift guide collab. And my portion of the collab is all about our Pandora. And if you want to know how to buy the perfect Pandora gift, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So first things first, if you're not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription box, the little button. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. Please make sure that your notification bells are on. And you all should be following your girl on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And since we're talking about Pandora, I have a Pandora Instagram that is called Lori Pandora Life. All right, y'all. You guys, I'm so excited because I am working with some beautiful women who know their stuff about their topic. So in this particular collab, we're going to cover different areas. So like I said, I'm doing the Pandora portion, and then we're going to have luxury makeup. We're going to have affordable makeup, as well as beautiful fragrances. And I will leave all of the beautiful women's information in the description box. So once you watch this video, make sure you go into the description box and watch their videos. And if there's a particular category that you feel like one of your families or friends might be interested in, make sure you share that portion with them. All right, y'all, let's get into Pandora. We're gonna talk about Pandora bracelets. And Pandora sells more than just bracelets, but my expertise is really like in the bracelet category. So that's kind of what I'm going to talk about. But Pandora sells rings, necklaces, Pandora charms. So they do sell multiple things. But first of all, where are you going to buy it at? You can purchase Pandora online, or you can actually go into a store, or you can purchase it online from this company called Lala. You can purchase it from several different different jewelry stores. But let me just say this. This is where you do not want to purchase any Pandora. You don't want to purchase your Pandora off of a site that's not credible. Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, all those places, because there are so many fakes out there. So you want to go to a reputable company to purchase your Pandora, because Pandora isn't cheap and you don't want to get something that's fake. So be very careful when it's time to purchase. Now, the next thing we want to talk about is, who am I buying this for? So we have two different categories. We have the woman that does not have anything from Pandora, has never bought anything from Pandora. And then on the other hand, you have someone like myself who has a lot of Pandora. So when you're getting ready to make a purchase for either one of these ladies, it's a different way you have to do it, okay? So we're going to talk about first, when you're purchasing for someone who is a beginner in Pandora, who doesn't have any type of Pandora. So the first thing I want to talk about is the actual bracelet, okay? So when it comes to the bracelet, you do have to measure, and Pandora does have a guide to show you how to measure to make sure you get the appropriate size. Now, if it's a surprise and you don't want the individual to know about the gift, then what I would suggest that you do is just simply get a gift card for the price of the bracelet. So then that way they can actually go into a store and they can actually get measured and in proper fitting at the store, because you do not want to buy a bracelet that's too small or too big, okay? So bracelets, that is how I would do it when it comes to gifting, okay? Now, I know you're probably saying, okay, I got the bracelet, but I don't really know what particular things to put on the bracelet. Well, we're going to kind of break it down for you. I'm going to make it real simple, okay? If you don't know what a person might want on their bracelet, but you know their favorite color. So what you can do is you can just go in and maybe get a birthstone charm with their birthstone in it, or the birthstone could just be the favorite color, right? You could buy charms, the little Muranos, the beads. They come in all different types of colors. So you can buy things based on the person's favorite color. You can also buy it based on their relationship to you. You know, they have charms for if it's your mother. They have charms for if it's your wife, if it's your sister. So you can buy charms based on how they relate to you. And that's an easy way to purchase something for someone. Another way you can figure out how to give them a charm, think about things that they love. Do they love coffee? Do they love working out? You can get a charm for with the little the little things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You can also get a charm that shows their love for cooking. So they have charms for everything. So you could kind of personalize it based on the things that they're interested in. Another thing you could do, you can make the bracelet, make it more like a theme type bracelet. So say if they're into Disney, get them Disney items. If they're into traveling, get them traveling items. So you can make it in a theme. That's the way a lot of people, when they're making their bracelets, let me show you guys, hold on. See, like this one is for my purple bracelet. And then we got a bracelet that I use for all of my holidays. This one right here is my travel bracelet. So you can make the bracelet in a theme. And you don't have to buy all of the charms, but you could just get them started. For example, say you want to do a travel bracelet, right? So you can maybe get the little suitcase. You could get the plane. Say they love New York. You can get this New York charm. And these beautiful world clips. And we're going to talk about clips, okay? And that's how you can kind of set up a bracelet. Now, when we buying bracelets and things like that for people, one thing I always recommend for your new charm bracelet, you should always try to get clips, because what happens is, let me show you. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, so see this right here? It's a clip right here, and then we have a clip right there. Now, if I didn't have these clips on the bracelet, what would happen is the charms would just move all the way around the bracelet. They would just be going all different places. And it's kind of annoying. So you put the clips in order to hold your charms in place so that they're not just moving all the way around the bracelet. So when you're starting someone out with a new bracelet, you want to give them the clips, because maybe you might only buy 2 charms, but you don't want the charms just flowing all around the bracelet. So that's why it's important to get the clips, okay? Okay, so that's kind of the summary of when you wanted to buy Pandora bracelets and charms for someone that's new. Now, let's talk about someone that is already into Pandora, they love Pandora, and they have a lot. So if you want to buy them a gift without just saying, hey, you know, you want to kind of surprise them, the first thing I would suggest is a gift card. That is a wonderful way to give them something. Then that way they can go and pick out exactly what they want, because they already know what charms they have. Now, the next thing you can do is for someone that has a lot of charms, when you go to the Pandora website, type in new, and then you'll see all of the new items, right? That way you might have a better chance at picking something for them that they might not have, because it's a new item. Another thing that would be really good to give a person that has a lot of charms, say they have a milestone birthday coming up. Say, like, you know, last year I turned 50. So the charm that says 50 on it will be really nice. So something that's real specific that you can get for a woman that has a lot of charms. Another thing that you can get that I feel like if you're a Pandora collector, we all need to have the safety chains. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, you see the safety chain right here that's on my bracelet? This is there, so just in case my bracelet opens up, all of my charms don't fall off and I lose them. So, and they have a simple one that just says Pandora on it, and you can add it to any bracelet. I feel like it's, you know, it can be added to any bracelet. So someone that has a lot of bracelets, get them a safety chain. They will appreciate that. And then the last thing, we all have wish lists. So if you don't mind saying, what is on your Pandora wish list? Ask them. And then that way, that's another way you can guarantee to pick up an item that they do not already have. Oh, wait a minute. I got one more thing to tell you guys. I had to drop back in. This is something that I feel like, especially if you're new, Pandora has these gorgeous little, you can put it on your key ring, but that helps you, this little heart, if you take this portion right here, it helps you open up your clips. It helps you open up your bracelet so you don't be using your fingernails and bank cards and all that kind of stuff. I feel like every Pandora owner should at least have one of these. All right, y'all. And the last thing I want to say, so if you're really new to Pandora and shopping for Pandora, when you actually go on the Pandora website and you can go to where the charms is, they have a thing called themes, and you click on that and it has everything broken down, so it's a lot easier for you to be able to see what type of items based on the hobbies and the interests and things like that. So utilize that. It'll make it a lot simpler when you're trying to find a specific charm or something within that family. Okay, guys, that is it. I hope this was very helpful. Please don't forget to go into the description box, look at all the other ladies' channels and watch their videos, because it's that time of season. It's holiday gift times, and we want to make sure we are giving the best and most thoughtful gift as possible. And that is what this collab is all about, in order to help you to give those thoughtful gifts to your loved ones. So that is it. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.